Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Airtable for AI data enrichment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Airtable for AI data enrichment, begin by logging into your Airtable account. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace where you wish to work. Locate the base that contains the data you want to enrich. Click on the API option from the Airtable homepage. You will be redirected to the Airtable API documentation page. Here, find the section labeled Authentication. Copy your API key, which is essential for accessing. If you don't have an API key, click on your user icon in the upper right corner and select Account. Generate a new API key if necessary. Next, return to the API documentation page to find your base ID. Scroll down to the List of Bases section. Identify your base and note its ID, which is a unique identifier for your data. Now that you have both your API key and base ID, open your preferred development environment. Start a new project and install any necessary libraries for making HTTP requests. In your code, set up the headers for your API request. Include the authorization field with the value bearer, your _API _key, . Set the content type to application/JSON. Prepare the API endpoint using the base ID you obtained earlier. Construct the endpoint URL in the format https://api.airtable.com/v0/left_base_id. Now, craft a GET request to this endpoint using your HTTP library. Execute the request to retrieve data from the specified Airtable table. Handle the response within your code to ensure it's valid. If successful, you should have access to your Airtable data in a usable format. With the data retrieved, proceed to implement your AI data enrichment process. Use the collected data as input for your AI model or enrichment algorithm. Test the AI integration to verify that it enriches the data correctly. Finally, validate the enriched data against your expectations. Following these steps will help you authenticate with Airtable for AI data enrichment efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.